If you are looking to charge your devices fast, you're going to want to check these out. You're going to be able to charge your watch, you're going to be able to charge your phone, and also your headphones. If you're an Apple user, this is a must-have. This is braided, which is really nice. It comes with this Velcro piece right here to keep everything in line. I'm going to pop this off. I'm going to show you this in action. So you get 4 feet of cord, which is really, really nice. And you could either plug this into a USB or you could do the USB-C. This just pops off really easy, and you could use either or. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to just plug this in right over here. I have a USB right over there. You can see right over here, I have my devices right over here. So I'm just going to pop on the watch first, just like that. Oops. So get that going. I'm going to plug in my headphones right over here. You'll see that ding, and then we also got my phone right over here, and that's charging. So you'll see all 3 of these devices are charging. Again, love the fact that this is 4 feet. Really, really nice material over here, which makes it super nice. And again, guys, you also have this right over here where you could switch it out if you wanted to. Really, really like the options that you have here and the ability to charge all my devices. So if you're looking for a great 3-in-1 charger that's super durable, 4 feet, and works really, really well, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.